TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, almost mid-month. We've got the 14th of June, Monday, starting the week with the Dow down 142 points at 34,336. So this is the pattern we're looking at, the chance that there's an arch formation being repelled at the Chapman Wave inside track repellent zone. So we're watching this really closely because there's a divergence. Look, the S&P, so the Dow's down 0.42%. The S&P right now is down 7 points at 42.40. It's down just 0.16 within fractions of an all-time high. Did make that peak D. I'll talk about that in the Tiger Technicians Hour coming up in another couple of minutes, my show. And we're also looking at the fact that the technicals are still pretty good in the S&P. Look at the QQQ. This is also just very close. In fact, it's up at 70 cents at 341.93. 342.20 is the all-time high. 342.44 this morning. I mean, just an eye blink away. Look at the V-shaped pattern again, the weekly chart. And we're also looking at the IWM, which is the Russell 2000, which is up 23 cents right now at 231.93. Let's see, it went to 233.35 this morning. All-time high was 233.64. What? Less than 30 cents away from an all-time high. Struggling, yeah, but doing very well in terms of the overall pattern. And you're looking at the gold. Now, this is going to be really important because gold was down huge. It was down to 1845, and now it's at 1867, down 11. So it was down over double that. Coming back, this candle here is going to be really important. Chapman Wave, this is, as it stands right now, it's a daily candle, so it hasn't closed. But as it stands right now, Chapman Wave, a Roman candle with a whole bunch of techniques that go with that. We'll see what happens by the end of the day. But look, the dollar should be rallying, and it's not. It's down 8 ticks at 90.44. It's struggling to break out. I drew this pattern for subscribers to my opening call. Wanted to show them what's going on here. So that's important. And I'm also going to be talking about bonds because bonds are making a peak D in the daily chart. Chapman Wave methodology, you want to see at least a peak D in the buy mode. That's what we've got. What happens next is important. And crude oil is still going higher. I'll talk about this in my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, and check out my opening call daily newsletter. Be back in a few minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Hope you can stay. Hope to see you in a few minutes.